Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, I'm finally going to be listening to the first song drop from Vida Murici. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. Vida Murici. Right, guys? Anyway, the first song drop, which is called Swadika, and Sawadika. Sorry, not Swadika. My bad. And yeah, apparently this song is also a very vibey kind of song, is what I have been told. So let's not delay this any further. There are no subtitles once again. I'm sorry, guys, won't be able to decode the lyrics and understand the lyrics. But anyway, let's listen to this song right away. Oh, definitely a dancey number. I'm liking the vocals. Okay. Sawadika. It's like a party song, huh? Anthony Dawson. Oh, lyrics by Arivu. Okay. This is their anniversary song, huh? Anirudh himself can be a very good actor. What do you guys think? He's got the look. Ajit is looking fantastic. Like, I cannot stress that enough. It has a little bit of that Spanish vibe also. All right. Let me stop this. You know, in all honesty, this is a good song. It's not a bad song. But I think if I had listened this first, then I would have liked it even more, because now the first song for this film that I listened to was Patikichu. So I am like more biased towards that song because that is totally my kind of jam, and I think I've listened to it umpteen number of times. I've lost count how many times I've listened to that song now. So it's like drilled in my head. But it's not a bad song. It's not a bad song. But I feel that because my brain has loved Pati Kichu so much, is that I am feeling a little underwhelmed with this song. Like, it has the energy, it has everything. It has everything that a song like this needs. It has the vibe, it has the beat, it's fun, it seems to me like it has really good choreography. I think I shouldn't compare, but it's like, because I have listened to that song first, so this sounds a little bit underwhelming. But if I had listened to the song first when it had dropped, I would have loved it even more than I'm loving it now. Like, I really like that little bit of Latina vibe that the song had in the instrumentals, which was a really good addition. But this sounds like a very, very celebratory, fun kind of song, which from the video also, obviously, it seems like their anniversary song to me. So they're celebrating their love, they're having fun, they've invited all of their friends, and they're just partying. And that's what I said, it has all the ingredients in a very good proportion. It's a very enjoyable song. But is it going to be leaving a lasting impact on my head? Because see, I also listen to many songs, right? And when I listen to a song, I always feel that, okay, I'm gonna, add it to my playlist. If I like a song, I add it to my playlist. I listen to a couple of times. But, there are certain songs when you listen, you just know that, oh my god, you're gonna loop it in like crazy. And it happened with the first one for me. Like, it happened technically the second drop for this film. But I don't see myself completely like playing this over and over and over again. Like, if it plays on my playlist, I'm gonna listen and I'm gonna enjoy it. But I don't think I'll actively go for looking for the song and loop it in. That's what I feel. This is just a personal opinion. You might like this song more than Pati Kichu. And I know if this plays in the theater, when I go to watch this movie, when it'll play in the theater, I'm gonna vibe to it. It's going to sound even better with all that Dolby surround sound and whatnot. And we only got the glimpse of the choreography. So with the choreography and the camera, see, visuals also add a lot to the vibe of the song. And this actually happened to me when I had watched Jawan. So that song, Zinda Banda Ho, when I'd heard it for the first time, it was nice, it was fun. But when I watched it in the theater, then I started looping that song more and more. So maybe that's gonna happen with this song also, you never know. So, but you let me know what are your thoughts here, because I like the instrumental, it's nice, it was fun. And I liked how Anirudh also came in with the other singer, sorry, I again forget his name. Let me just... Anthony Dasan. So both of them came in and they were having a gala time. So yeah, video wise also it was very engaging, but let's wait and watch, because I feel that if I watch the song with the choreography, I'm gonna enjoy it even more. But let me know in the comments below, do you like the song more than Pati Kichu? Sawadika. It's very catchy, it's very groovy. It's just that maybe I feel a little bit more underwhelmed because I have looped in the other song so much and it's just ingrained in my mind. So maybe that's the bias here. I'm gonna give my honest opinion, guys. I'm not gonna hold back, because this what I feel is what I feel. So yes, anyway, that was the reaction to Sawadika, and I'm gonna sign off now from this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.